What's up, YTV? It's your boy DJ Y, and we're back with another episode. So we have yours truly, Queen Mary J. Blige, Queen of the R&B and every man's dream women, without doubt, without saying. So guys, last night was really big in measure because Mary J. Blige was celebrating premiere of her new documentary movie. Man, every rapper tries to flirt with Mary J. Blige, without doubt. This is facts. And now it's time to Fabolous. I'm sure you remember last week when Conway was trying to give some love to Mary, even he gave his $100,000 chain. And now guys, I want to show you last night's culmination dance between Mary and Fabolous. Man, this is beautiful, man. This is excellent. First of all, if you are a true fan of the music, true fan of the hip-hop or R&B, you just support Mary J. Blige's new project. On the screen, you're watching Fabolous post. Man, here is also Mary J. Blige. Always a blast with you, Fab. Man, here is big love between them, I'm sure. Also, here is reactions by the rappers. Here is Busta Rhymes, It's Biscuit. Man, last night's energy was crazy. So, if you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. And don't forget, we have a brand new interview with ODB son, Young Derry Besser in YTV. We had really dope conversation with son of the legends. And guys, if you are a true fan of hip-hop, you don't miss this interview. Thanks for watching. It's yours truly, DJ Y. God bless you guys. Peace.